Hi, Joseph. Yes, that's a good question. Why are we passing one variable name here to a different variable name here? What happens when you call this function is the value that's in this variable is transferred or copied. Yeah, copied would be a good word, to this variable. So this is a brand new variable having nothing to do with this. The value is copied from here to here. This variable only exists inside of this function. As we follow through the function and we exit returning the title, everything inside of here is thrown away. We assign whatever we've returned, which should be the title of the video, to our video URL, I guess. Oh, we pass the URL. This would be the video title. So when you're passing something from a function call to a function, it's the value that gets copied. Whatever is stored at this memory location, the information, the data, is copied to this new variable. It's used inside of here to do its business. Whatever is created by this function, that value is returned and assigned to this variable.